Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Radivage Finance. We are presenting Syrma Sgs Technologies Limited IPO 2022. Dear investors and viewers, this is just Radivage Finance is presenting one of the main IPO, which is going to list after a month. If you see, the gap between the last IPO has got listed and right now, well, there is no rush into the market for IPOs which is going to list into BSE and NSE. Yes, absolutely. On the occasion of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, we are wishing everybody in advance about it. Yes, absolutely. You should enjoy the day of independence. And yes, happy Independence Day in advance to everyone. Yes, absolutely, we will launch our donation link very soonly, which we have announced in our last video, which is a Nasdaq analysis. Dear investors and viewers, if you see, the journey of Radivage Finance has completed Nasdaq Predictions 1 year in the month of August 2022. So right now we are going to talk about this company. Yes, absolutely, this company, we are coming back to this detail of this IPO, and in that case Radivage Finance will says that yes, absolutely, basically this company having 270 plus customers, which is across automotive, consumer product, healthcare and industrial appliances, IT and railway during financial year 2021. They are 19 plus countries where their products has been sold, where 1380 global and Indian supplier during fiscal year 2021. 11 world-class manufacturing facility across India. Research and development facilities available at Chennai, Gurugram, Germany, Stuttgart. Okay, so this is the details which we are talking. Yes, absolutely, we are also focusing on their group of companies. So majorly their subsidiaries are SGS Techniques Manufacturing Private Limited, Perfect ID India Private Limited, SGS Infosystem Private Limited and SGS Solution GmbH. So right now they are giving, as they are identifying, their group of companies are basically Syrma Singapore Pte. Limited, Infix Service Private Limited, TIS International USA Incorporation, Memory Electronics Private Limited, Reliable Consultancy Services Private Limited, Delta Computers Printers Private Limited, Golden Computers Limited, Hybrid Agriculture Limited, Tandon Magnetic India Private Limited, Tandon Holdings Limited, Titus Trading and Agencies Limited, Trekale Trading Company Limited, Vedacom India Private Limited, and these are their group of companies which they have claimed. Apart from yes, absolutely, we will talk about the journey of this company. Just wait. We are going to talk about Syrma Sgs Technologies Limited, and in this case, this company Syrma Technologies Private Limited, basically started on the August 23rd 2004, get registered, and the following with the acquisition of SGS Technics Manufacturing Private Limited, and this is on 28th August 2021. Okay, so the company was changed the Syrma Technology Private Limited to Syrma Sgs Technologies Private Limited, and consequently got a fresh certificate on September 14, 2021. And thereafter that converted public limited from private limited, and they have received this fresh certificate on October 2021. The registered office is at unit number 601, 6th floor, Floral Deck Plaza, MIDC, Andheri East, Mumbai, Maharashtra 400093, and their corporate office, plot number B27, phase 2, zone B, MEPZ SEZ, Sanatorium, Tambaram, Chennai, Tamil Nadu 600045. So if you log on their website, you will find more detail about it. So first we will talk about their industries and the grand total of revenue rather than talking about everything. Okay, so this company is into the automotive, consumer, healthcare, industrial, IT, and railways. So we will not take every fiscal year, I mean to say we will talk about in percentage of revenue from the operations, and then we will talk about into the grand total. Okay, so in case of a grand total, if you say this basically the fiscal year first we will talk about revenue from the operations in percentage. That is 17.09 for automotive industries 2019. For 2020, 15.39% revenue from the operation, 14.68% in the year of 2021. And in the last 3 months of June ending 30, 2021, they have given 16.46%. If you see consumers, till the financial updates available in this is till the 2021. If you see, I mean to say, consumers, if you see, they have a good amount of exposure over here, 20.40% 2019 fiscal year operations revenue from the operations, and then 2022 they have for 2020 they have a 22.47%. 2021 fiscal year they have a 23.49%, and 3 months ended on June 30, 2021, 13.49%. In case of healthcare, they have revenue from the operations is 23.97%, 23.88% in 2020. In 2021 they have a fiscal year for this 14.02%. 3 months ended 14.55%. Industrials, if you see, 38.50% in the fiscal year 2019, and fiscal year 2020 it is basically we are talking about industrial, right? Yeah. So in case of industrial, it is 37.99% fiscal year 2021, 14.28%, and on the June ending 30, 2021, 44.15%. In case of industrial 2019, it is 38.50%. So in case of IT, they have seen downturn 0.04% in fiscal year 2019, 2020 0.18%, 2021 fiscal year 2.31%, and over by the end of the 30 June 2021 it is 9.88%. Okay, we will revise over here healthcare once again. Fiscal year 2019-23, 0.97%. Fiscal year 2020, 23.88%, and 14.02% in fiscal year 2021. So 14.55% on 30th June 2021. So in that case, railways, they have a fiscal year 2019, nothing is available in percentage. Fiscal year 2020, 0.11%, we can say. Fiscal year 2021, 1.22%, and 3 months ended June 30, 2021, 1.47%. The grand total, we are going to talk about the revenue, is 7,947.38 million in rupees. Fiscal year 2020, it's 8,656.54 rupees in millions, and in fiscal year 2021, 8,873.94 million, where June 30, 2021 ending of 3 months is 2,452.77 rupees in million. So basically they are catering over 200 customers, 16 country. Okay, they have a given basically their major customers are marquee customers including TVS Motors Company Limited, AO Smith, India Water Products Limited, Robert Bosch Engineering and Business Solution, Eureka Forbes Limited, Canode Limited, and then Atomberg Technologies Private Limited, Total Power Europe PV. Our product has sold 19 countries apart from India, including USA, Germany, Austria, and UK. In fiscal year, so we have already taken in millions of rupees. So anyways, we are not going to export. We are going to talk about their export is available because they are dealing in USA and all, right? So anyways, we are going to talk about other details of this company, which their subsidiaries, we can say, or their history. Right now we are going to talk about this company's history. 2006 set up a manufacturing unit, Sgs Chennai. 2010 set up manufacturing facility at Bargur. 2012 commenced manufacturing Bincon for vehicle. 2014 set up first research and development department in India. 2016 commenced manufacturing RFID tags. 2018 set up a manufacturing facility at Bawal. 2018 set up a zone autonomous creation to support provision rapid prototype services. 2018 another manufacturing unit, MEPZ Sgs Chennai. 2019 commenced offering repair and rework services. 2020 manufacturing controllers, EV batteries management system. 2020 investment of the company by South Asia Growth Fund 2 Holdings LLC and South Asia EBT Trust. 2021 acquired SGS Technics Manufacturing Private Limited. 2021 acquired 75% issue paid share capital Perfect ID India Private Limited. So we are going to talk about, this is first time they are putting subsidiaries, SGS Technics Manufacturing Private Limited history. 2014 set up manufacturing facility at Manesar. 2016 set up manufacturing facility at Bangalore. 2016 award outstanding EMS company Global Outlook ELCINA award. 2016. 2018 award electric and electronic goods mid corporate award Dun and Bradstreet SME Business Excellence Award 2018-2020 Award, First Prize Excellence Research Development, Large 45th ELCINA Award for year 2019 and 2020. 2020 set up another manufacturing facility at Bangalore. 2020 Second Prize Award Excellency Quality Large 45 ELCINA Award. 2019 2020 2021 a second award, Second Prize Quality Large Scale. 2020 to 2021 46 ELCINA Award. And then they have a same 2021 award, Second Prize Export Large Scale, year 2020 to 2021. Means one is for the quality and one is for the export. 46 ELSCINA Award, they got a second prize. So we are going to talk about there another one is particular about it. So 2013 best SEZ MSME computer hardware by Export Promotion Council EOU SEZ EPCES Export Award 2010 to 2016 third place medium scale processor under supervisor category 11th edition CI I Southern Region Kaizen Competition 2016. Okay, this is award and recognitions. So anyways, we will not collect this award and recognition right now. Already we have covered a lot of thing in the video, and that's enough for us, because we are not going to start the portfolio over here. We will come back with a lot of analysis later on. We are talking Syrma Sgs Technology Limited IPO detail. This IPO date has started today on 12th August 2022. It will be open till 18th August 2022 because this is a long weekend. And IPO face value is 10 rupees per share. IPO price band between 209 rupees to 220 rupees per share, where IPO lot size is 68 shares, where if you see it is going to list BSE and NSE issue type is book build issue IPO. Basis of allotment date will be 23rd August 2022. Initiation of refund will happen 24th August 2022. Credit of shares to demat account 25th August 2022 and 26th August. The IPO listings, their symbol is SYRMA. On 26th August 2022. So dear investors and viewers, if you wanted to apply this IPO, choice is yours. This is the only choice right now into market, because there is no more IPOs from the main IPO category. Yes, there are the category for SME, but you can invest in after the listing also, and that is your choice. Dear investors and viewers, subscription prediction for Syrma Sgs Technology Limited IPO 2022 by Vridhivesh Finance. Expected subscription band between 20% to 65%. Dear viewers, if you see in 2022 there is no subscription has break down any record yet. Yes, hardly 1 or 2 subscription has did it a very at large volume. But if you see the journey of 2022 comparing 2021 is different, and that is reversible. Means the companies are get least subscribed by everyone, but they have given good listing amount. So wait and watch. For this IPO, if you want to apply for one lot, it can cost you 14,960 rupees for 68 shares, where maximum price you can apply maximum lot 13, and it will cost you 1,94,480 rupees, and maximum the shares for 13 lot is 884 only. So we will come back with GMP analysis after the subscriptions reports generated by both stock exchange. Strategy ratings for Syrma Sgs Technologies Limited by Vriddhivesh Finance. Dear viewers, if you see, this is the company which is, we can say, had a long journey into the market, and they are going to list right now. Means 40 years, 4 decades they have completed, guys, according to them. So anyways, it's like a legacy, we can say over here, but no legacy. We can say is, we can give it to this company, we will give it the rating around 3.1 out of 5. Okay, because the company is having a lot of group of company as they identify. Okay, and that's the reason we are giving. If you see their promoters, we are going to talk about their promoters. Has their group of entities are AB Promart Private Limited, Arson Properties India Private Limited, Bandstand Family Trust, Buzzmonk Entertainment Private Limited, Cambridge Family Trust, Consortium Consumer Care Private Limited, Dhwani Medicare Private Limited, Delta Computers Private Limited, Eastern Peripheral Private Limited, Ebony Agriculture Limited, Ebony Electronics Private Limited, Ebony Sales Services Private Limited, Enhanced Revenue Solution Inc., Fabulous Thread Private Limited, Golden Computers Private Limited, Gyan Enterprise Private Limited, Hams Properties Private Limited, Hybrid Agriculture Limited, Ideal Electronics Private Limited, Infix Pharmacy Services LLC, Infix Services Private Limited, Ishara Singapore PT Limited, Ivory Agriculture Limited, JS Gujral HUF, JS Gujral Private Family Trust, Jaideep Tandon HUF, Jet Travels Private Limited, JMPS Realtech, Coco Sports League Private Limited, Light Bite Food Private Limited, ML Tandon and Sons HUF, Media Electronics Limited, Memory Electronics Private Limited, Modern Die Casting LLP, Nature Bond, Tea Wine and Allied Products Private Limited, No Worries, No Tension Healthcare Private Limited, Passionate Food Private Limited, Radical Plastic Private Limited, Redwood Family Trust, Reliable Consultancy Services Private Limited, and Reliable Fashion India Limited, Sandeep Tandon HUF also, where SGS Manufacturing and Trading Private Limited, Sri Investment Private Limited, Sudeep Tandon HUF, Syrma Tech Singapore PT PT Limited, Tancom Agro Products Limited, Tancom Agriculture Limited, Tandon Consultancy Services LLP, Tandon Computers in India Private Limited, Tandon Data System Services Private Limited, Tandon Holdings Limited, Tandon Magnetic India Limited Private Limited, Tassel Trading LLP, TIS International USA, Titus Electronics Limited, Titus Trading and Agency Limited, Tranquil Trading Company Limited, Vedacom Agriculture Limited, Vedacom India Private Limited, Vima Agro Product Private Limited, Vima Holdings Private Limited, Well Time Gold Investment Private Limited, Western Enterprises, Whiteboard Capital Advisory LLP, Wilshire Family Trust. So these are the group of entities of promoters. So as they has confirmed it, yes, we are going to focus after the share got listed, the more analysis on this. Till the time, you just wait and watch the performance of every day. If you are interested, yes, absolutely, we are going to launch the equity demands on equity analysis very soonly. but till the time it, and yes, absolutely, this is a statistic not based on anything. This is a random statistic which we are going to give it to the market, and that's the reason it can be fail also. We are not giving you 100%, but yes, unfortunately you can say, or luckily we can say, that for the Nasdaq, our predictions is about Nasdaq. It has completely matched up to certain limit, around at least we can say more than 80% Nasdaq predictions has become so true, and you can check out over there, because if you are dealing into international market, yes, there are many companies from the India right now has giving a platform to play with the international equities which is available into the international market. And absolutely, yes, absolutely, we are giving Nasdaq predictions. Yes, in the last 1 year, the journey of Nasdaq predictions, we have seen a lot of people are asking about us, what exactly so and so company has going to perform, what will be their price target for 2023, 2025, 2030, 2035 even. So it was quite challenging to get predictions. It's not easy, because we analyze based on some sort of statistic. Even if it is a random one, we give them some sort of statistic based on the reality and the fact, and that's the reason we give them really less. Sometimes it has been achieved. If you see our few of the Quora articles where they have achieved it, and yes, absolutely, yeah, in the last month we are not available on the YouTube, and that's the reason probably our YouTube channel performance has gone down, and due to that only, might be everyone may get upset, we are not aware, but it's okay. We are come back this month, back to the business, back to the YouTube. But there is we will launch our basically a donation link very soonly. You will find it into the descriptions. So if you are interested in donations, it's good. Whatever we will receive the amount at the end of the year, we will donate 10% of that amount to the needy people who from the society. Over just name of the charity, it's not a name of the charity, we wanted to give the real and the true needy people. So that's the reason, and apart from that, whatever the profit, whatever the donations comes, that will be our profit, because here we are giving free everything, and but it wouldn't work out even. Anyways, our prediction, our statistic becomes true. But yes, absolutely, we are not requesting donations, but we will launch our donation link very soonly. Yes, we have given this since last 3 weeks, but it will take some time more probably to sort out international platform. Yeah, on this weekend we will launch another videos which is related to Bitcoin and Ethereum predictions. So you can watch on our another channel. It is a crypto blush, and this will be the predictions. Probably we will give it to you for a weekly or monthly basis. Initially we are not aware about how to do, what to do, and what exactly it has to do. Yes, in that case of a Bitcoin or ETH, we will launch the videos. Probably the mute videos are more available, because we think that if predictions can be wrong, goes wrong, because the volatility in cryptocurrency is a very big amount, not big amount, but we have seen the drastically whatever the Bitcoin has given downturn in the last. Yes, if you check our previous video, there is a one predictions which we have given for till July, I believe it, or till June, where we have a given exactly it will goes down, and probably that is also made, I guess so we will give it to you in description about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, so you can follow on our crypto blush channel. We are not in a run and race, so right now we are thinking that our company has to grow one by step by step basically. And here is a very means like our journey we have started in the month of December 2020, but we have seen there is we need to grow more faster over everything, and it has not happening. So we will come back with the strategy because we believe consistent performance. Anyways guys, thank you by Vridivej Finance. We will come back to you with the GMP analysis, and you will see our GMP. Hopefully, it will become a true. Yes, in a SME playlist, SME shares playlist. If you see SME IPO, we have not launched anything yet, but yes, absolutely. In that case, we will give it to you share target for SMEs IPO. Means after the IPO detail, we will launch one part of the video which will give the analysis of the chart and which will be predict the share target for next few months, means around a quarter we can say, about 3 months from the August till September, October, November, that's it. So there are probably 7 videos are available very soonly on that case, which we have not make a, because we have to keep the track of SME IPO so we can understand. And every month we have promised that we will launch our share target. Probably till the July we have given you one of the video where we have predicted 2021 IPO shares and 2022 shares, and in that case our few of the prediction probably has come so true. So we will launch that playlist too, the videos very soonly, by today, by tomorrow, as soon as possible. So anyways guys, since last week till next week there is a long weekend, and the people are probably on traveling around the world or traveling somewhere, I mean to say Indian, because this and really nice to see the peoples are traveling after COVID to different places. Have a great day. Bye bye. Good night. Sweet dreams.